Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to change volume on your headphones Xiaomi Buds 3T Pro. You have to start by opening the application. Now go to gestures. Then decide you wanna use right one or left one earbud. I prefer right one, but it's the same for the left one. So for the double tap, we can choose volume up, and for the triple tap for the right one, volume down. And now the touches areas located right here, and if I press 2 times, 1, 2, I guess I should put it to my ears, so I'm just press 2 times, 1, 2, and I increase the volume, and again 1, 2, and I increase again. And if you press 3 times, you will lower the volume, so 1, 2, 3, and again 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!